So the Monarch Hotel is a grand old building. It's over 100 years old. We actually celebrated the 100th year anniversary of the building last year in December. It used to be the Saxonville Post Office way back in the day when Rosebank was on the outskirts of Johannesburg. We've been privileged to take over and buy the Monarch in an auction in 2019. And unfortunately, at that time, due to COVID, we were unable to restore the building and begin operating up until 2023, when majority of the work took place. We opened the doors in 2023, and the first guests formally were reintroduced in December 2023. So we've been running just over 18 months now. It's been a fantastic learning experience. The Monarch provides guests with super luxurious accommodation in a very tranquil setting in the heart of Rosebank. Rosebank, as you know, is becoming sort of the secondary business hub after Sandton. There's many corporates that have moved into the area, and what makes it very attractive to both corporates and leisure visitors is the fact that it has access to Oxford Road, which is the main arterial, and it's a stone's throw away from the Gautrain. So guests can literally jump onto the Gautrain from anywhere, and you're right at our front door. So it really caters for your business traveler as well as your leisure traveler. We've got 12 rooms in total, majority of them suites. They cater from your very high end to your family rooms and deluxe rooms, which are more catered for your business travelers. We started the process of trying to furnish the building in 2022. We completed that at the end of 2022, and then we had to do the final leg. And as you know, sometimes the final leg is generally where a lot of the snags take place. We needed a security camera provider, a system to be able to take bookings, manage our inventory, and very importantly, manage access to the rooms and to our facility as a whole. So that's where we came across ZKTeco. Chantal was very accommodating. She invited us through to her showroom in Centurion. And once we got there, we realized that it's really a very simple system to utilize, and it has all of the requirements, provides all of the requirements that we need. From our security installer, funny enough, is the one who recommended ZKTeco products, because at that time we were installing the cameras and we had a conversation on how or what would be the best way to install the locks for our doors. So the hotel being a grand old hotel, we were thinking of finding a balance between the old grand style of door lock, but matching that with high-end technology. And I think that's where ZKTeco's technology, or their offering specifically, really spoke to us. Thankfully, we've had only good experiences for the last while since we've opened. The system is easy. It's easy for our staff to understand, to implement, and the card system works really nicely. We've had no issues whatsoever. The nice thing is that even when the cards do go missing, I can always call upon you to replenish our cards, which happens every now and then. We have to acknowledge that your support has been fantastic. It's been phenomenal. Whenever we do have an issue, it's basically just picking up a telephone or sending you a WhatsApp or an email, and the response times are always great, right? So there's nothing that's left for the next day. Whatever needs to be resolved is resolved on the same day, which we really appreciate. I mean, given the fact that we need to also hold strict timelines for our guests to be as comfortable as possible, the support and the turnaround specifically, I have to admit, has been great.